Yep, according to Nota, Mas made a mistake when she says Nasty C is the biggest artist in SA. Nota said the biggest artist in SA is behind Buzz, and we all know that who is he talking about? The very same guy who received the Song of the Year while behind Buzz. He's talking about Shebeshit, the king of Limpopo, guys. According to Nota, Shebeshit is the biggest artist in SA currently, guys. He is number one compared to Nasty C. Yeah, Nasty C may be the big hip-hop artist in Africa, but not in SA, not in all genres. The biggest one in all genres, according to Nota, guys, it's Shebeshit. Here's Nota correcting Mas.
You guys refer to Nasty C as the biggest hip-hop artist in South Africa?
The biggest?
In Africa.
In
Not
Africa.
South Africa.
In Africa.
Yeah.
So,
The biggest one is in jail. Shebeshit.
so what you guys agree with what Sfiso is saying?
Like
That's
what?
what I'm saying. I beg to differ.
Like that you must chase the, when you are still there, like particular, you guys mentioned particular, when
He
you're
doesn't
still
need to
booming,
anymore,
getting the
man.
numbers there, you must
So
chase
he's
it
rich
like
enough.
that.
Is that what you're saying?
He's 29, guys. His career peaked in his 20s. He's gonna have terrible 30s. Terrible
That's
30s.
exactly what I'm telling them.
In
Terrible
music, in
30s.
music.
Trust
In
us,
life.
bro. Bruh, in our
life.
age, bro, I had dreams, dog. When 30 knocked, I knew I apalamo.
So everything changes when you talk.
Cowboys, I'm
He's gonna be
fed.
power trading in
Cowboys, I'm fanaka. Like, bro, you need to get your shit
King
from
and
the
Sunda,
20s to 29. 29, 30. If you like it, 32.
Try it.
If you like, you have to be like, you have to need to be the chosen one. Mfanaka, shaya piano mfethu, shaya two-step mfethu, khuphuke nabo mfethu, and raise your
Boom.
kids, dog.
Come on,
Shaya
go back to
zonke
Durban.
konke.
It was Nota correcting Mas when she said that Nasty C was the biggest in SA. Yes, according to Nota, Shebeshit is the biggest artist. I don't know what to take on this one, whether Nota is right or Mas is right. You can leave your comments down in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.